Hi everyone, this is Ken Doll Review Day. I review Kens every Tuesday, and today I've got for you a Ken and his girlfriend Western Barbie dolls. These are from 1980. That's the box date on these dolls. These dolls had never been opened, but I opened the boxes just to be able to show you the inside contents and a better look at what they look like. Ken is 1980 Western Ken 3600, and Barbie is 1980 Western Barbie 1757. I'm going to start out with Ken. Barbie's probably the most popular, but since this is Ken Review Day, I'm going to start by reviewing him. And this is the fashion booklet that came inside the box with Ken. He is wearing a shiny white tricot top, similar to the fabric on Barbie's. They're exactly the same fabric, I believe. He's got this tie around his neck that can be used to place into the hat the holes and then tie it around his neck so that it stays on. This fabric here around the collar, the sleeves, and the pants is a faux leather, and it's very, very susceptible to wear. Once you remove it from the box, you take it out, it will start to flake and peel. I'm not going to touch the fabric on this doll nor remove him. Because of that, I don't want to ruin his fabric. So there you have it. Now you can see here, there is a little faux buckle. I can't really move his hand, but it says Ken on it. Hopefully you can see that. And, well, Barbie is tipping over right now, and some of the things that were in the box are falling. So her hat fell off, his boots fell off, so I'm going to have to put something new on them to hold them in place in the box. His hat is white. His boots, I can show you a better look now that they're, well, actually, maybe I can open them because they're not sealed. Let me get some scissors and try to get this off for you so you can see what his boots look like. It does have a piece of aged tape on it that was in place at one spot, but the baggie is actually open at the top. It's not like I'm really unsealing anything here. And these are his boots. They're a nice, pliable rubber. They have that cool Western engraved or embossed style to it. Their heels, their pointed toes. Very nice boots for Ken. Very cool. Then I guess that's it for him as much as what I can show you. I am going to show you the boxes once I finish reviewing the dolls themselves. Let me put his boots back in here so I don't forget about them. And then we'll go to Barbie. Let's move you back a little bit, Ken. Hopefully things don't fall down on me again. Here is Barbie. Her feature is that she winks. That's a great feature, but it turned out to be a detriment to this doll because over time, the doll's eyes began to look creepy because of the way that she was designed. There is a feature on the back that I can't get to, and I don't want to remove her from here, so I'm not going to be able to show you the wink, but most of these dolls don't actually do the wink anymore because of the age to the eyes. But you can see here, this one, there's a lid on it. This one, the lid is kind of up inside. And I think that was the one that was supposed to come down. Barbie's outfit is a white tricot, very pretty, with silver accents, white fringe on the sleeves here, silver belt with black, and trimmed in this detailing ribbon that's black and silver. Here's her accessories on the plastic, not removed, still sealed onto the box. Mirror, perfume, comb, like a little makeup bag, and a brush. Then I want to show you her boots and hat. I could open this up. Her hat, I don't really want to open it, but you can see the hat came with the same type of tie that Ken's hat came with. Then this silver piece in here is the metallic look for the mirror. Her hat is the same as Ken's, white. She's got hard plastic Western boots with her name, I think that's her name, embossed in it, in the design. Kind of hard to see with this old tape. There you go. Maybe that gives you a better look at it. So some cool features that she's got there, some accessories. And then here's her paperwork. Here's her instructions. Press the back of Barbie and she will weep for you. Tie knot at end of cord. Dress doll in her Western boots and hat. Add black and silver cord to the Western hat as shown. I love the graphics on these older Barbies. Here's how you would place the mirror onto the plastic mirror holder. Fit Barbie doll's hand into top of her personal autograph stamp. She can use it again and again. I thought it was a makeup box, but it's her autograph stamp. She came also, I'm going to show you in just a second, with cardboard pictures of herself, and that's what she could use to stamp her autograph onto. That's a pretty cool idea. I'm sure the stamp is probably dried up now. And I'm not going to test it out. I don't want to open it up. It also came with this rebate coupon for Dallas, which was Barbie's horse. Coupon was good for $1. Personalized check signed by Barbie doll after purchase of Dallas. That's cool. It expired in 1982. The back has the address, and then you could fill it out with your name and address to get that rebate. Also came with this Barbie fan club application. You could be part of the Barbie fan club. Looks like you got $5 worth of rebate coupons. To become a member, mail this along with a money order for a $5 annual membership fee. I was never a member of the Barbie fan club. I wish I would have been, because they probably got all kinds of cool things. Then Barbie came with this booklet. So this is the one that came with Ken, 1981, and Barbie came with this 1980 booklet. I'm going to be doing reviews on video of the Barbie booklets, just the Barbie booklets themselves at a later date. So if you would like to see those, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll have those at some time in the future. These are the photos of Barbie. They're just cardboard, but it's a graphic that's put on here to look like photos, like headshots. And these are the things that she could stamp, or you could stamp as a owner of the Barbie doll. Very pretty. This is how she was supposed to look. Maybe she looked this way originally in the box back in the 1980s. But as you can see over time, she's not as beautiful as she was on this photo shoot. Now I want to show you the box themselves. So let me move Barbie and Ken out of the way so I can show that to you. And hopefully we don't have a problem here while I remove them from the light box. Here we go. Okay, Barbie's coming out. And Ken is coming out. And here are their boxes. Start over here with Ken's box. Handsome Western Star. Looks like he cost $9.99 originally. Right there. He's got some paperwork in his as well, but it's not as nice as Barbie's, so I didn't take it out. It is the fan club that I showed you and a warranty. This is the graphic of Ken. I love the 1980 graphics of the Barbie dolls. Says he's the perfect partner for Western Barbie doll. For ages over 3. Western Ken up here. He's a handsome urban cowboy. Look at that great graphic of him with his faux leather pants. Originally, they probably intended him to look like he had leather black pants on, and it shows the buckle as well that I tried to show you in the video. These boots look more like disco boots, I think, than the Western boots that he came with. Here's the box date. He was made in Taiwan. In the description, I will show you the markings that the Ken and the Barbie have on their body and heads. Here's the back of Ken's box, Western Ken. He can ride Dallas, Barbie doll's horse. What a cool graphic of Ken riding the horse. It's a beautiful horse. There's a cactus here. Western hat, Western shirt and tie, Western leather-like pants, twist and turn waist, signature buckle, bendable legs, Western boots. Dallas horse sold separately. I do not have the Dallas horse. And then Ken's box also contains a graphic of Barbie. Ken doll's partner, Western Barbie, gives an autograph and a wink. Western Barbie doll not included. So that's Ken's box. Barbie doll's box. I don't know if there was something here that someone wanted to cut that off. I'm not sure why they would have. I don't know what would have actually been there. It says gorgeous Western Star. And then look at this great graphic of Barbie winking with her autograph stamp in her hand. Look at her nails painted so nicely. Western Barbie, she gives you her autograph and a wink. Safety tested. Ken was also safety tested. Western Barbie. This is a closer look at her stamp pad and a graphic of her photo shoot sheet. Her personal autograph stamp to use again and again. Look at him pretending like the child was holding the doll and stamping the autograph onto the picture. Make her autograph her picture. You can use it too. Then the back, Western Barbie, she gives you her autograph and a wink. I like how it's got this canopy back here. Little tree with fruit on it. Look how pretty she looks. Shows you the autograph there on the stamp. Her photo. 6 pictures of Barbie to autograph. Western jumpsuit. Very cool jumpsuit. And there's a better look at her boots. The inscription of her name embossed there. Fancy Western boots. Here's a look at the comb, the brush, the mirror, the perfume bottle, and the stamp pad. Came with instructions as well. Barbie is 11.5 inches. Here's a graphic, a very cute graphic of a child loving their Barbie doll, playing with their Barbie doll. Press her back. She winks at you. Look at her there winking in the mirror. She winks at her fans. Very cool. Ken doll not included. She was also made in Taiwan. That's what I have for you today. I hope you liked my video. Let me try to get Barbie and Ken back in the shot here. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Let me get Barbie in here so she can wave goodbye to you. Thanks for watching.